Feeling chilly across northeastern Kansas right now as we are currently sitting in the 20s from our Prairie Band Casino and Resort live storm tracker. And as we take a look out at our Skycam, our Midland Exterior Skycam and NOTA right now, the sun is setting and we have some blue skies. Wind chills right now are in the teens and the 20s. So if you're going out right now, you'll want to grab that coat, some gloves, and a hat. And our current wind speeds are anywhere between 5 and 10 miles per hour, mostly coming from the west. Our gusts are coming from the same direction between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Supercast wind gust overall tracking that we will see those winds turn from the southwest between 5 and around 25 miles per hour before leveling off, before picking back up into tomorrow afternoon from the south around the same range, and then picking up from the north by Wednesday morning. And so we will have the winds turning back to the west by Wednesday afternoon around the same range as well before leveling off going into Thursday. 24-hour temperatures overall falling into the teens by the overnight hours, then getting into the 40s by tomorrow afternoon. Our wind chills will follow a similar trend, falling into the single digits, then getting into the 30s. So it will feel a little bit cool tomorrow, but not as chilly as it was today. Tonight's forecast overall, we will be in the teens and 20s with mostly clear skies. And then tomorrow we will be in the 40s and almost 50s with mostly sunny skies. As we take a look at our model guidance over the next week or so, we do have the opportunity for snow. The GFS, which is the American model, is showing that we may miss out on most of it. We could just be scraped in the southern edge, but the European model, which is the more accurate model most of the time and the one we go to more often, is showing that we could see snow in the area from Friday to around Sunday morning. So we are watching these trends closely, and it's something we are watching, but it still is 4 to 7 days out. So right now, it's the time that we decide whether it's less or more likely to happen based on data. The next step is 2 to 4 days out. We'll decide the timing and type of storm, and then 1 to 2 days out, we'll decide the amount and locations of where the storm impacts will happen. Supercast temperatures overall are looking to be frigid going into the weekend. They may drop with our wind chills as much as into the double-digit teens below zero. As you can see, we will be cold. It will be in the coldest echelon of where our legend goes by Sunday as well. And so we may have to deal with some frostbite and hypothermia. So you need to know the symptoms of those two winter illnesses as we go throughout the next week or so, as we are expecting some brutally and dangerous Arctic air. And we have a chance for northern lights viewing. It's very high likelihood that we could see them with our own eyes here in northeastern Kansas. It's going to happen tonight. The best viewing is after 10 p.m. It's a G4 geomagnetic storm, and it's the largest solar radiation storm in over 20 years, since 2003. And we are having on our 8th day that we will see cool weather through at least Thursday, and then it will turn cold in the 20s and then the teens, with lows in the negatives around -1, and then also lows around 1 going Saturday into Sunday. And then we will warm up slightly only into the 20s.